In this tutorial, we will use the TRI and DMR comparison dashboard to examine differences in the universe of chemicals found in TRI and DMR data. This tutorial may be useful for you if you are evaluating how well each dataset characterizes pollutant discharges. For example, examining which discharges are captured in DMR that are not captured in TRI and vice versa. As we compare the TRI and DMR facility universes, keep in mind that while there is overlap, DMR and TRI are different data collections and serve different purposes. In situations where data from a given facility appear in one dataset but not the other, it does not automatically indicate that the facility is non-compliant or has made a reporting error. Now let's review the chemical universe chart to see the chemicals reported in the TRI and DMR data. TRI has a set list of reported chemicals. The count displayed here represents the chemicals that are reported as surface water discharges to TRI. The orange slice of the TRI chart is the count of chemicals only reported to TRI and not found on DMRs. These chemicals are likely not found in the DMR data because NIPD's permits do not require monitoring for these chemicals at effluent monitoring locations. However, the TRI data could be used to review the existing permit to ensure compliance with applicable water quality standards. The DMR chart has three categories for chemicals: chemicals also reported to TRI, non-TRI chemicals, or chemicals not on the TRI list, and TRI-listed chemicals that are in DMR data but not reported to TRI. This third category should be further reviewed to determine if the facilities reporting these chemicals on their DMRs should also report these releases to TRI. It is important to keep in mind the TRI reporting requirements for industry classification, number of employees, and chemical activity when examining these differences. To further review the chemicals in any category, simply click on the portion of the chart that you are interested in, and a file will download containing information for the chemicals in that category. It is important to note that we are currently displaying the charts to show counts of chemicals. You can change the comparison metric using the menu at the top of the chart. Let's see how the comparisons change if we select the total pounds metric. In this tutorial, we demonstrated how you can use the chemical universe comparison charts to examine differences in the scope of the TRI and DMR data. Click on the tutorial link to view demonstrations of other charts in the dashboard. Please refer to help content for more information.